Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. It's me, Briana Marie, and today's video is going to be on this P.louise base. But I just wanted to inform you guys that this base so much, it is really a step that I can add in my makeup, and I don't have to powder to make anything matte or set anything. This base doesn't need to be set. It is 100% perfect. I slept in this makeup right now, like as you see. I recorded my video yesterday. Didn't have my hair done, woke up the next morning. All I did was powder a little bit, and the eyeshadow is still on. So 15-16 hours wear of this face, and it still puts. The only thing is, I have to go up more to cover the base. So the white part right there wasn't covered. I don't know what had happened. I'm gonna use the base again in another video so that you can see how it's properly used. I mean, I used it properly, but I just didn't cover the white base fully. Overall, this look turned out so pretty. I just want to come in and quickly mention how I felt about this base, but the links will be in the description bar below so that you all can purchase it. I'm back, y'all. Just know that I'm back. I'm recovering still, but I'm back. Let's see how cheap this looks.
And I will retire with the crown. Yes, no, I'm not lucky, I'm blessed. Yes, clap for the heavyweight champ, me, but I couldn't do it all alone.
Hey there. Okay, y'all. So I am back, and I'm back recording. I am still in recovery. That doesn't mean that since I'm recording, I'm not in recovery. I'm going to be recording, but I have like garments and stuff under here, so that it can keep me compressed. And I have to wear it every day, but for the last 2 days, I was not wearing it, but I have to wear it. But we are doing these colors today. I'm going to do neon green and this blue. I miss y'all so much. Y'all know I was like finished to do makeup when I was in Atlanta. Okay, I did it, but that was before I recovered. That was before I got my breasts done, but y'all already know I was ready to plan some makeup after it, but it just was a lot of stuff going on. If y'all didn't see the last video, I think YouTube like restricted me. I'm not getting paid a little bit from it. I hate this weather. This weather is so slowly blowing me because it's like gloomy and I want it to be sunny. But on to the tutorial because y'all are like, you want in your goddamn mouth. I talk too much when I be trying to explain, like I've been gone, but my face it's doing good. I will have a face routine up soon because I know a lot of people have been stalking me down asking me, oh my god, you need to do the face routine on your channel really quick. So I will be doing that, but I'm just waiting till it clears up all the way, especially those ones that's really hard to go away. I really want to have a successful skincare routine for you now, because that means that if these scars finally vanish, then y'all know that this is the product for y'all. Try some new products today, and I'm going to try this 24-hour Super Brow Long Wear Pomade by Kat Von D. Now y'all know I love Kat Von D. I use her I'm so excited to be on here, y'all. Concealer, the Lock and Tattoo concealer, and I'm just going to use this. You know, I use my MAC 263 brush, and that's what I'm going to use. That's how the pomade looks. I heard a lot of great things about it, so I got this when I was in Cleveland, and it's just dark brown. So I'm going to take that, and we're just going to do the brows with that. I'm back. I do like the 24-hour Superstay brow, but I think I should have went a little bit darker to the darkest one, because y'all know I like my eyebrows dark, and this is a little bit too light for me. Y'all already know I do not like no light brows. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my Ebony and mix it in a little bit with this pomade. What I'm gonna do now is start concealing my brows. So y'all know I love my infamous Pro Longwear Concealer by MAC and the shade NC45, and then we're gonna do P.louise, y'all. I got the P.louise base. We're going to do that to conceal, to give that extraness under the brows. We're going to see how this works. And I'm now going to set it today, because they say when you don't set it, you know, it's better that way. So we're going to try it. So else, I am about to already conceal my brows. Let me get that out the way first. So I already concealed my brows, but we're about to get into this P.louise base. So I got a card from them, which looks like this, and it says, "Thank you for your purchase. We hope you enjoy everything." And then they give me a little code that I can enter next time if I want a discount. Yes, the exclusive code. Oh no, exclusive code, how to use the product. That's what it says, not a discount code. Pretty, but it took me 3 months to get this package. 3 months, y'all, to get this. In my box, I got the palette, I got the pigment, and I'm going to be using the green pigment today. The palette, let me get into the palette, y'all. This is how the palette looks. It just says P.louise, and it's so pretty. I probably will do a tutorial on this. If y'all want me to do a tutorial, let me know so that I can get that out for you guys. This is the tiny base that I received. So she threw in one base, which is basically, this is like a little travel size base, and then we have the big 15 milliliter bases that will last you a lifetime. It's called Rumor. Okay, I didn't set this at all because you're not supposed to set it. Just know that there will be some creasing. It's going to be a cut anyway, so it doesn't matter. Once I set it with the eyeshadow, which are powders, it shouldn't be no creasing, but we're just going to see how it's going to work. So I'm going to go on my Makeup Addiction Cosmetic palette, my Makeup Addiction Cosmetics palette in the shade Glow Volume 1. And it's broke, so I'm gonna be careful with this real quick. Morphe 504 brush. Morphe 504 brush, and I'm gonna take what is it? I'm gonna take this light blue shade. Okay, base. Okay, this base is really good. But the only thing is it drags. So you just have to keep going over that area so that it won't drag anymore. The next shade that I'm about to take is Dreams, and it looks like this. I'm about to put this right in my crease, right up under the mint, to take my Morphe 513 brush. Morphe 514 brush is like really tiny and precise so that you can get right in that crease. So when you cut it, everything will be nice. I go all the way in the front so that when I cut it, it sinks throughout the crease. These shadows on this base blended out phenomenally, and the colors that I chose today, it blended out so well. Y'all already know I'm gonna clean that up, but I think it's gonna be my new favorite base. So I'm gonna use this again, and then I'm gonna take my cut crease brush, my new one. It's not the flower one, It's the Morphe 224 brush. Having a hard time, y'all, with cutting my crease because I was using this brush right here, which is not as flat. I usually use this, but I don't know why it's acting like that. This is the Morphe 224 brush, and then I went in with my flower brush after that, and it wasn't working. But I thought that this was the Inglot brush, so I used the flattest brush that I had, which was the Inglot 220 brush, and with the second shade that we use. So kind of let this dry for a little bit, maybe, and then start applying what? Take my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette in the shade Prism, and I'm gonna grab this neon green shade that matches my nails and put. It even better, I went in with a dark blue, well, navy blue eyeshadow called Deep Space on the the MAC 221 brush, and just added it to the ends of the shadow. So now I'm about to take my wing liner from Wet n Wild and line my eyes, and then I'm going to take a little bit of their glitter that they sent and press it on my eyes. To go in with this primer water. This is Photo Finish So Chill Coconut Primer Water, and I'm going to go in with Becca as well to prime my pore areas. I went to Sephora and I picked up the Artist Couture and Conceited. The lip that I took was Anastasia Beverly Hills Isomanic. I think that's how you say it, don't get me wrong. Lipstick. I want to do something bold personally. You could have did a natural lip with this, but I want to go bold. I'm doing a Chinese bank, so you really won't see much of the eyeshadow, so I just wanted that pop of lip so that it can really pop. So you're gonna see like a little bit of my eyes, but that pop of lip is gonna really what's gonna give it that. Go get my hair done. I'm actually filming it, so stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Like always, honey, trying to get to 200K before the month of June. June is like around the corner. Like at least by the end of June. So let's get there. Don't forget to share this video. And I'll see you guys on the next one.